Yeah, mine's backing just like that now. Thank you, with the runner off.
Please don't rip off the don't shoot it all over the room again, because that thing traps the dust from me.
Oh, that's hilarious. It just pops in, honey.
It sounds like the motor. It smells like the motor's going.
Oh, my goodness.
You have to sit and clear it. All these little squares. You did not tonight.